Hey everyone, hope you're enjoying your holidays. While I have my gear all set up, I kind of wanted to do a quick review on a quiver that I'm using, my latest one. And that's my side quiver here. All right, it's not a quiver, it is a side pack, and these are about $6, $10 shipped from AliExpress, and it fits my arrows just fine. And I throw my shooting glove in here. I've got my knife there. It's got a ton of room. It's got a little zipper here that I just unzipped for this. So just laying back like that. It's got a leg strap here. It's nice and comfortable, easy to wear. I think it's pretty cool. I mean, for $6, I've seen similar setups like this for over $100. They're a little bit nicer, but I mean, $10 or $100. I do like the $100 ones, so I gotta admit, I probably will buy one of those. They're from the Push Archery. Love that guy, love his channel, love everything they do over there, love their merchandise too. So, I mean, by all means, buy one of those too. But if you just want a cheap one and you're looking for something to get into it, think about this thing. I'll leave a link below. And that's about it. That's just a quick review. It's a really nice pack. I'm glad I found it for $10 until I can save up to $100 for the one over at Push Archery. All right. Until we talk again, keep enjoying the great outdoors.